Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 Exceed thermodynamic paper. Question number 105 is air enters a hair dryer at 22 degrees Celsius and 100 kPa with a velocity of 3.7 meter per second and leaves the dryer at 83 degrees Celsius and 100 kPa with a velocity of 9.1 meter per second. The exit area of the dryer is 18.7 centimeter square and the ambient temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. The air is an ideal gas with gas constant R is equal to 0.287 kilojoule per kg per Kelvin and isobaric specific heat Cp is equal to 1.005 kilojoule per kg per degree Kelvin. If the change in potential energy is neglected, the second law efficiency in percent of the dryer is dash rounded up to 1 decimal place. So first of all, applying steady state energy equation between inlet and outlet of dryer. Suppose enthalpy at inlet is H1 and velocity is V1 and head is Z1 and suppose Q is heavy added in the dryer, and at exit enthalpy is H2, velocity is V2 and head is Z2 and W is work done. So as there is no work done in the dryer, so W is 0 and there is no head change in potential energy, so Z1 is equal to Z2. Okay, so from this we get Q is equal to H2 minus H1 plus V2 square minus V1 square by 2. H2 can be calculated as Cp into temperature and T2, and H1 can be calculated as Cp into T1. Okay. And velocity, exit velocity is 9.1 meter per second and inlet velocity is 3.7 meter per second. So it means we can get Q, that is your Q actual heat added in the dryer. So it comes out as 61339.56 joules per kg or 61.33956 kilojoules per kg. Okay. Due to this heat addition, there is entropy change because temperature is rising. Temperature is becoming 83 degrees Celsius or 356 Kelvin, and initial temperature was 22 degrees Celsius or 295 Kelvin. So entropy change is Cp ln P2 by P1. Okay. So as pressure is constant, so we can apply the constant pressure formula for calculating entropy change, because air enters 100 kPa, 100 kPa pressure is constant, so entropy change is Cp ln T2 by T1. From this we get entropy change as 0.1889 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin. And from this entropy change we can calculate irreversibility. So we multiply this entropy change with ambient temperature, that is given as 22 degrees Celsius or 273 plus 22 Kelvin. So we can calculate irreversibility. So that is 55.7255 kilojoules per kg. So this is your irreversibility, and actual work and actual heat added we have calculated to raise this temperature from 22 to 83. So but if there is no irreversibility, then the ideal heat added to raise same temperature is Q actual minus irreversibility. So that comes as 5.61406 kilojoules per kg. Q ideal is Q actual minus irreversibility. So now we have Q ideal or ideal heat added and actual heat added. So from this these two we can calculate second law efficiency, that is Q ideal by Q actual. So which will be 5.6140 divided by 61.33956, or it will be 9.15% is the answer.